Y'all hear it? Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. 47. That's pretty good then. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is this the ZV5?
Yeah.
You tanked all the way through the port or all the way in the box too?
As far as I can get.
As far as you can? Okay.
I'm getting a new box build anyway.
Y'all hear it? Show me your name real quick and what's in here.
My name's Mike. I have a ZV5 15 on a Terrence 8K at 2 ohms, a DS440 on 4 DS18 FR6 Neos in the doors.
Okay.
Pioneer head unit.
You know what it peaks at, your tuning?
Peaks at 54, box tune at 34.
34. 54. Wow, it peaks high in here.
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk-around we just got of Mike's system and his Kia Soul. Pretty impressive single subwoofer, a really powerful single sub, the Sundown ZV5. He's ran on a Terrence 8K as he was talking about. So go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already. We're about to get a 2-song bass demo. This was at the Savannah Seaport Show in Savannah, Georgia of 2021, getting to upload it finally. Go ahead and comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. He's definitely come a long way. I went ahead and this is the previous video I posted about 5-6 months ago, actually where he has his upgraded system in this video. So you can kind of see from his slot port system he has now in this video to what he upgraded to an Aero port. And he's gotten a lot louder since then. So definitely recommend checking out that video, link in the description if you haven't seen it already. So I really like the way he has his box variation. A lot of people may consider putting the subwoofer in the port facing back, but for his amount of space, he optimized placing the sub and port facing up instead. You never know. Every system's different for where you put your subwoofer and port placement. A lot of people always like to say subwoofer up, port back, but he did a good job mounting it the way he has it, and it sounds really good. So we're going to go ahead and get to the 2-song bass demo now. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the 2-song bass demo from Mike. Shout out. You did a good job, man. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Thank you for the demo.
No problem, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
And what would you say you were on Instagram?
Two Broke Ass Painters.
Okay, got it. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It's on the side, all right. Single sub. 47. That's pretty good then. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.